Hello, my name is Zuzana and I will present the research poster investigating implicit mentalizing. Do bilinguals have an advantage? Mentalizing refers to the propensity to represent others' mental states in order to predict and understand their actions. Evidence suggests that mentalizing abilities are modulated by linguistic environment, with bilinguals outperforming monolinguals. This phenomenon is called bilingual advantage in mentalizing. Existing evidence comes from explicit mentalizing measures, which tap into a range of skills. Hence, it is not clear whether this bilingual advantage is due to bilingualism's direct effect on mentalizing ability or due to other factors. Implicit mentalizing measures that provide a more direct measure of mentalizing can clarify bilingualism's impact on mentalizing ability. In the current study, we aimed to replicate bilingual advantage in explicit mentalizing and explore whether such advantage would be observed in implicit mentalizing too. We tested 99 neurotypical adults who were split into monolingual and bilingual groups based on the age of acquisition of their second language. To measure explicit mentalizing, participants completed a task that required them to watch a short clip of two triangles interacting and then decide what type of interaction they have seen. They chose from the options of no interaction, physical, or mental interaction. To measure implicit mentalizing, participants completed video watching task with eye tracking. This task relies on measuring anticipatory eye movements under the conditions of true and false belief. Performance is indexed by a differential looking score, which is a reliable measure of looking bias. The true belief DLS represents a control measure, whereas the false belief DLS measures implicit mentalizing ability. We found no significant differences between monolinguals and bilinguals on explicit mentalizing. The mean overall scores on the triangle animation task, as well as the mental interaction scores, which reflect the explicit mentalizing ability, were very similar in both language groups. A similar pattern of results was found for implicit mentalizing measure. Although the monolingual group showed slightly less looking bias than did the bilingual group, this difference was not statistically significant in neither true nor false belief condition. The current study found no support for bilingual advantage in mentalizing. Our findings are not in line with the previous literature on explicit mentalizing, which could be caused by differences in experimental designs, definitions of mono and bilingualism, or sample characteristics. The failure to observe a bilingual advantage in implicit mentalizing could be due to the online administration of the eye tracking task, which is less sensitive than lab-based eye trackers. Alternatively, bilingual advantage might not exist for implicit mentalizing. Further research is needed to clarify the effects of bilingualism on explicit and implicit mentalizing.